Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind, dreaming of freedom, and wondering how to make money from anywhere in the world? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real secrets to make money online. Whether you are a beginner or looking to scale your side hustle into a full-time income, from freelancing to building passive incomes, streams, and even strategies, you can start with zero investment. I've got you covered. This is not just a theory. This is a proven method that have changed lives. And guess what? You could be next. So grab your notebook, hit the like and subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of online opportunity. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. So in this video, I will show you 7 methods. The first method is pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do varieties of freelance jobs such as writing, design, programming, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. If you are fluent in second language, check translation sites such as Gengo or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelance you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge. Requirements needed. Upwork and Fiverr require users to be at least 18 to sell work. Fiverr allows user age 13 to use parent guardian accounts with permission, and freelancer.com requires user to be at least 16. Another method I will show you is test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps works. You will have to complete a short test to be accepted. Then you will be paid depending on the test type. Requirements needed. You need to be at least 18. You need a computer, internet connection, and microphone. Mobile app testers also need an Android or iOS mobile phone or tablet. The practical test and most users testing required English, German, or French. Some test opportunity may be in additional language. The third method I will show is make money from your blog with affiliate link. If you are a blogger who get decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates that get you paid when someone click through from the website to the partner site and buy something there. Some bloggers makes a lot of money this way, particularly those who do affiliate marketing full time. You can use social media or a platform like Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Requirement for this: a blog, social media account, or other online presence that attracts a steady stream of visitors. The fourth method is sell your wares on Etsy. Have a pin chart for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidering, or pottery. Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has over 96 million active buyers and grows over 13 billion in merchandise sales in 2024. Requirements needed is if you are over 13 years old but under 18, you can sell on Etsy but would be considered a minor and must follow extra policy. You need to have all necessary rights to merchandise sold in your shop. Method 5 on this video is self-publish an ebook. Writing a good ebook is tough, but the internet make it easy to bring it to market. If you are a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It is free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscripts. Set the price and see if it sells. Requirements needed: you need to create Kindle Direct Publishing account to get started. Proper formatting is important. Amazon says most Microsoft Word documents convert to ebook easily, but other formats are also supported. On method 6 is get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat video to cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube set 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark for applying to the YouTube Partner program. If you want to place ads on your channel, you can apply with 500 subscribers. For other monetizing features like channel membership, you can also use Google AdSense. Requirements needed for this is your own website that has been active for at least 6 months. For YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You must be at least 18 years and above. Method 7 is become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencer, people with large dedicated followers on the platform, to sell their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunity via marketing platform like Open Influencer or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Requirements needed for this is an Instagram account with dedicated engaging followers. You also need to meet the requirements for any affiliate network. If you find value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And before you go, make sure to hit the like button to let us know this help. Smash the subscribe button so you will never miss tips like this. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to make money online, or what you are excited to try next? I do love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay inspired. Peace.